See, the issue here is a lot of y'all think you can just start banking on YouTube in one day, which some people can, but it's rare. Like, y'all are all up over here like, oh shoot, she makes money, he makes money, they make money, they're famous, I should start a YouTube channel and I'm gonna be getting the bread. But it's not that easy. It's not. Tell them it's not that easy. What to do, YouTube? It's just who? It's just Jane back with just another video. You came here because you said to yourself, hey, I want to make money on YouTube. Thank God that you clicked on this video because your girl is here to help you out. Like, you came to the right place. Good job. I got my glasses on so that I look and feel more sophisticated because I'm about to lay down my experience and give you the facts. Just do me a quick favor and subscribe. Yeah. Oh, you still haven't subscribed yet? Okay, wow, you're lame. Drop a like on this video because these are tips you can't miss. Oh. Yes, I make money from YouTube. I'm not making that much money from YouTube, but I am making money from YouTube. And the thing about it is, the money you get from stuff like YouTube, baby, it adds up, girl. Let me tell you, it adds up. I'm obviously a small channel. You can tell by looking at the amount of subscribers I have, like right down below, but you can still sit here and be like, yo, that girl has a small channel, but she making money, so she got somewhere, so can I. Yes, you can. I'm talking to you. Now, how getting paid on YouTube works, there are many different ways. You have Google AdSense, or you can get partnered with an MCN, which is a multi-channel network, such as Style Hall, Awesomeness TV, Broadband TV, Scale Lab, and there's many more of them. One day Team 10 might become an MCN. Oh, what? Who am I partnered with? Okay, since you asked, I'll tell you. I'm partnered with Broadband TV, and I love them. They even give you tools to like help you with your tags and your titles and your description, and I appreciate it. Like, they're amazing. Some of these networks give you that manager where if you have any questions and blah blah blah, you can talk to them. Like, yes, like it's a real manager, it's just they're a talent manager through a network, and so they have a ton of other YouTubers they're like helping out as well. It's not just you, it's not your personal manager because you haven't made it there yet. The talent manager I had from Broadband TV no longer works with the company, and I haven't been able to get a new one since, so that's like very like sour. But other than that, before Broadband TV, I was partnered with a really small network called Grace Network. I'm glad I left Grace Network, but it's also really hard to get out of contracts. Before you get out here partnering with these people, you need to do your research. You have to do your research. You need to make sure you're not getting scammed. You need to look up review videos on YouTube about the network you want to get partnered with. How do you get partnered? Getting partnered can work in two ways. It's like getting an actual job. So you can either type in your email, send your channel link, all that information, and they'll look at you like it's an application, and they can decide if they want you or not, which in most cases they want as many people on their network as possible. Like, most of these networks are not exclusive clubs. The more people partnered, the better they look. Or you can have someone reach out to you and like email you and be like, hey, we want you to join our network. We've looked at your channel, you would be a great fit, let me help you out. So for Grace Network, I did the research and I partnered with them myself. I turned in the application, but for Broadband TV, one of their little talent managers came to me and was like, yo, what's up? Your channel's poppin'. We've got to have you get partnered with us. And I did my research on that and I said, okay. I was partnered with Grace for 1 year, and I've been partnered with Broadband TV for about too. Don't expect to make a lot of money, especially if you're really small. I didn't get partnered until I had about 2,000 subscribers. Make sure you're getting like somewhat decent views to make money, because I mean, you don't want to get partnered and you only make 25 cents and then you're telling all your friends, yeah, boo, I'm making money off of YouTube, it's 34 cents, hey, which does happen. Like, you can be paid like 34 cents. Some companies, they'll wait till you're at a threshold, and a threshold is basically you don't get your money till you make this much, and that's something with Google AdSense. But with Google AdSense, you also don't get a contract. I don't know, Google AdSense, I personally wouldn't recommend. I don't know that much about it. I just know if you want to see what it's like to get paid on YouTube and you don't want to be locked into a contract, Google AdSense is the way to go. I'm pretty sure you have a threshold of like $100. With the 2 networks I've been partnered with, I haven't had to have a threshold. So, yo, if I make $1, I'ma get $1, you know? It doesn't matter how much I make. No matter what I make, I'm gonna get that money. How much you get paid is based off of how many views you get. The great thing is, if you're a small YouTuber and you get like 200 views on this video and 500 views on this video and then 200 views on this video and 300 views on this video, like, those add up together to make you a little something something, you know what I'm saying? All the videos you post, views you get, it all adds up and they merge together. I'm still making money from videos I did 2 years ago. Even videos like some of these big YouTubers did like 5 years ago, they're still making money on that video plus the videos they're doing now, today. Forgot this really important piece of information. Please pause to read. Whenever you're partnered, they have their certain days where they pay out to you. For most, it's not every week. Usually it's once a month or twice a month, just depends. For me, on Broadband TV, I get paid the 15th of every month. Networks have really weird like payouts, so it's like in January I get November's pay, in February I get December's pay, and so on. Make sure you're like 100% happy with where you're gonna get partnered with. It takes time. Do not rush into it, because let me tell you, if you ever want to get out of an MCN network, a partnership, it is a hassle. It takes months. You're not just gonna be out the next day or the next month. Like, it's hard. It's really hard. If you want to see me do a video about sponsorships and my experience and how to get them and all of that, you know, drop a like on this video and comment down below. Like, seriously, you suck if you don't leave a comment. Just Jane, out the lane. 1, 2, 3, peace. Holla, holla, honey, yeah, yeah, yeah.